This is the older Ultra Stick 60 with an onboard glow driver. It's got a Saito FA-100T installed with a 14.6 master air screw S2 series prop on it. It's running a Spectrum receiver with a JR9503. The inside this cover are two homemade glow drivers that sense the resistance on the glow plugs, and as the glow plug cools down below a certain threshold set by the potentiometers, which are here, it energizes the glow plug. I'm going to shut it off because I don't want to burn my battery down. Due to the weight of this front end, I moved the servos to the rear of the fuselage. They're normally in the middle under the wing. This is similar to the new Ultra Sticks, which have them on the rear. I've also had to add on the bottom some lead weight to offset the weight of the FA-100T on the front. It's got a 15-ounce gas tank in it for glow fuel, and that should give me probably, at least compared to the FA-91 that I would fly on this same model, probably give me a little over 10 plus minutes, maybe 15 minutes of flight time. Find out this summer, or when it warms up a little bit enough to get it off the ground. Anyway, if anybody's interested in the glow driver technology that I've built, please leave a comment in the bottom, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks. Take care. Bye.